Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A32. Okay, first we need to open up the settings. Then you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. It is really important. If you're not connected to the Wi-Fi, go into connections. Then select Wi-Fi and connect to available network. Then go back into the main page of the settings. Scroll all the way down until you find About Phone. Then software information. And we have the build number. We need to tap on it a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back into the main page of the settings once again. Now scroll down, click on developer options, and we have OEM Unlocking feature. We need to enable that. Click on enable. But our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet. We need to do it in a special menu. So now we have to power off our device. Hold the power button and click on power off. Also, you need to be aware that if you unlock your bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset and all of the data will be erased from the phone. So before unlocking the bootloader, I highly recommend to create a backup of the data. But don't worry, the data isn't deleted yet because we haven't fully unlocked the bootloader yet, so don't worry, you can still create a backup of the data. You just need to turn on your phone and create it. Now we need to have an USB-C cable that is also connected into our PC. It is up to you. And now we need to hold both volume keys at the same time. And while we are holding them, we need to insert the cable into our phone. So hold both keys, insert the cable, keep holding volume buttons until this menu appears. Now we need to hold volume up. Okay, and now it's asking us, do you want to unlock the bootloader? We want, so we have to click volume up once, real quick. Okay, now the phone will perform the factory reset. We can unplug the cable also, and now we have to wait until the setup process appears on our screen. It's going to take a little bit, so I'm about to speed up the video a little bit and I'll see you in the setup process. Okay, now click on start. We have to go quickly through the setup process, and we also verify our bootloader in the settings. So select your language and then click on next. Click on next once again. Select that you agree. Let's skip the Wi-Fi for now, so it will be much faster. Click on next. Click on more and accept. Click on skip, or if you want, you can of course set your screen lock. It is up to you. In my case, I'm skipping everything, so it will be faster. Okay, click on next. Let's skip the Samsung account also. Click on agree. Of course, if you don't do something right now, you'll have a possibility to do it later in the settings, so don't worry if you don't do something right now. Okay, click on next. Our phone is ready to use. And now, again, we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, so open up the settings. Connections. Wi-Fi. Oh, not the Bluetooth. Misclick. Wi-Fi. Pick available network, if it pops out. Okay, now go back to the main page, scroll all the way down, About Phone, software information, tap on the build number a few times in a row, then go back, scroll down. Developer option needs to appear first, so we have to wait. Okay, developer options, and it needs to look exactly like that. So OEM unlocking feature is enabled. Down below it says that bootloader already unlocked. That's the thing that we wanted to achieve. And it also needs to look like the whole feature is unavailable basically. It's gray as we take a look, transparent, and it's impossible to turn it off manually in here. That's exactly the thing that we wanted to achieve, and now our bootloader is fully unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.